What's up, everybody? Have you been losing money in every cryptocurrency exchange? Stay tuned because in this live crypto trading Bybit video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and trade the best performing cryptocurrency that can potentially make you more money today. But before we get started, make sure to smash that subscribe button. And if you're on YouTube, click the like and share link to allow more people to see this video. With that, it's amazing how you can literally grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange. When the price action in most cryptocurrencies creates lots of opportunity to buy on the way up and short sell on the way down before the cryptocurrency fades into oblivion a few days later. For example, just a couple of hours ago, my fintech clients traded and made 150% profits on the usual USDT cryptocurrency futures contract in 7 days, 4 hours. And my students traded and made 400% profits on the Mocha USDT cryptocurrency futures contract in 5 days, 12 hours. And the best part, I traded and made 40% profit on the SCR USDT cryptocurrency futures contract in 3 days, 4 hours. The question is, can you imagine making 400% profits in just 5 days? Isn't that awesome? Do you realize how much opportunity is waiting for you right now? With that, it's time for me to walk you through the simple 4 steps to minimize losses, maximize profits, and grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange. Keep watching. Hey, I'm Andrew Oko, and I've been trading and investing in cryptocurrencies for literally 10 years now. And the first step is to identify where the price action in most cryptocurrencies will be heading to. And one of the best tools you can absolutely use to be 70% sure of where the price action in most cryptocurrencies will be heading to is the candlestick price chart data of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency. For example, right now, as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency is convincingly trading in a red candlestick, and that means you should go hunting for short trading opportunities in every cryptocurrency exchange. And now that we've identified where the price action in most cryptocurrencies will be heading to, the second step is to find the most current bearish trend section of the cryptocurrencies. Make no mistakes, the candlestick price chart data of every cryptocurrency is divided into bullish trend sections and bearish trend section. And that's absolutely all that you'd ever need to perform proper technical analysis of every cryptocurrency. With that, the best way to grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange is to find and trade the worst performing cryptocurrencies that are currently trading above the 15th% of the most current bearish trend session. For example, right now, the worst performing cryptocurrency on the Bybit exchange is the AKRO USDT cryptocurrency futures contract. And to properly analyze the candlestick price chart data of this cryptocurrency, head over to the tradingview.com chart page, search for the crypto ticker symbol AKRO, and let's jump right in to identify the most current bearish trend section of the AKRO USDT cryptocurrency futures contract. And as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the most current bearish trend section of the AKRO USDT cryptocurrency futures contract started from the highest price of this red candlestick bearish trend starter. And from the highest price of this red candlestick bearish trend starter, the price action of this cryptocurrency squeezed down to 18.07% and then squeezed up by 9.77%. And right now, the AKRO market price is currently trading at the 192.37% of the most current bearish trend section. And the best part, you would have made over 150% profit already if you were to short trade this cryptocurrency futures contract. But as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, The price action of this cryptocurrency is currently trading below the 15% of the most current bearish trend section. And that absolutely disqualified this cryptocurrency as a potential trade target for now. So let's go back to the list of the worst performing cryptocurrencies to continue our crypto trading research. The next cryptocurrency on the list is the ZEN-USDT Cryptocurrency Futures contract. And to properly analyze the candlestick fractal data of this cryptocurrency, head over to the tradingview.com chart page and search for the crypto ticker symbol ZEN. And let's jump right in to identify the most current bearish trend section of the ZEN-USDT Cryptocurrency Futures contract. And as you can see on the candlestick, the most current bearish trend section of the ZEN-USDT Cryptocurrency started from the highest price of this red candlestick bearish trend starter. And bearish trend starter, the price action of this cryptocurrency dipped down by 10% and then squeezed up by 77.31%. The ZEN market price is currently trading at most current bearish trend section. And as you can see, the price action of this cryptocurrency is currently trading above the 15% of the most current bearish trend section. And that makes this cryptocurrency your potential trade target for now. And now that we've found the right cryptocurrency to trade, it's time to identify the highest price of the red candlestick bearish trend starter. So zoom in on the candlestick fractal data a couple of times in order to get the exact price. And as you can see, the highest price of the red candlestick bearish trend starter is exactly at $18.835. And then use the yellow horizontal ray tool to indicate. And now that we've found the right cryptocurrency to short trade, the third step is to create your trading plan on the candlestick fractal data of the cryptocurrency. Make no mistakes. Trying to guess your entry, stop loss, and take profit prices when the price action of most cryptocurrencies are getting highly volatile is the major reasons for massive losses. And that's exactly why you have to outrightly create your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on the candlestick fractal data of the cryptocurrency before you trade them. For example, if you want to trade the ZEN-USDT Cryptocurrency Futures contract, like I'm getting ready to trade it right now, your stop loss price will be at the 14th% of the most current bearish trend section. And then use the red horizontal ray tool to indicate your stop loss price, which is 16.522. And your entry price will be at the 15th% of the most current bearish trend section. And then use the blue horizontal ray tool to indicate your entry price, which is $16.366. And your safety price will be at the 19th% of the most current bearish trend section. And then use the pink horizontal ray tool to indicate your safety price, which is $58.17. And finally, your take profit price will be at the 25th% of the most current bearish trend section. And then use the white horizontal ray tool to indicate your take profit price, which is $15.057. So as you can see on the candlestick fractal data, your stop loss price is at the 14th%, $16.522. And your entry price is at the 15th% of the most current bearish trend session, which is $16.366. And your safety price is at the 19th% of the most current bearish trend section, which is 15.817. And finally, your take profit price is at the 25th% of the most current bearish trend section, which is $15.057. And now that we've created your trading plan on the candlestick fractal data of this cryptocurrency, the fourth step is to choose the best entry conditions before you click the short button. Make no mistakes, the best entry conditions can save you a boatload of massive losses. And that's exactly why there are basically two entry conditions to be considered before you click the short button. The first entry condition for short trading opportunity states that the price action of every cryptocurrency you want to trade must dip down below the entry price and then form a green candlestick squeeze up to the stop loss price first before you can go open a short trading position after the second entry condition is fully satisfied. For example, right now the price action of this cryptocurrency has not dipped down below the entry price and then it has not squeezed up back to the stop loss price. And as you can see, the price action of this cryptocurrency has not completed the first entry condition. And all you've got to do right now is to wait for the price action of this cryptocurrency to dip down below this entry price and then form a green candlestick before you can go open a short trading position after the second entry condition is fully satisfied. So let's check out the second entry condition right now.